Audio Master. JW transistor. $22,000 microfarad, 63 volts capacitor, 8 pieces, pure copper transformer. Ito po ang patunay na copper po siya. Ito. Pure copper transformer. Kalagay 7 inches by almost 3 to 2 and 7 inches by 2 and 3/4. Hanggang po yung kataas nyo. Malaki na rin po yung transformer. So, yan po yung Audio Master AC650.